Hey guys, it's Keisha Kayor Davis here and welcome back. I have not done a tutorial in such a long time and I just wanted to take some time out to show you guys the correct way to apply the Kayor Glit Stick. Today we're going to start with Show and Tell. It's our bright red and I definitely want you guys to get the lipstick in all the creases of your lips. Make sure you apply your lipstick properly because your lipstick is, think of it like the adhesive for the glitter. Also, it's very important that you apply enough lipstick, even on the inside. They're really pigmented, so it'll be really bright. And there you go, lipstick is done. Each order is shipped with our applicator brush. I would like for you guys to take out the insert, that way you can dip the brush into the jar, so you have enough product on the brush. Please pay attention to how I'm applying it. Do not bite your lips or do anything like this. Don't do that, please. It's not lip gloss, it's Kayor's Glit Stick. Our glitter is cosmetic grade. It's not something you get from the craft store, so it's safe for your lips, and you can also apply it as eyeshadow. It's very important to stay within your lip line so your lips look clean and precise. Do not overline your lips with the glitter. The Kayor Glitz, it's so thin, it's very comfy on your lips. You don't feel weird. I mean, you can drink out of a straw, of course, and eat french fries and be cute. And another cool thing about the Kayor Glit Stick is it doesn't transfer. Look. So there you have it. That's the Kayor Show and Tell Glit Stick. And I also wanted to introduce to you guys something that I launched a few months ago, our glow stick. And today, this is our 1017 glow stick. And it's simple. You just take the applicator off, push this up, and you pump. You see that? Pump. How cool. And it's simple, you just do that. And you have glow. Pump again for the next cheek. The Kayor Glow Stick is really cool. It's for body glow. You can put on your arms, your shoulders. It's really good for your purse. I mean, it's the perfect product. The brush is built in. Up, down, close.